What's happening, everyone? It is Wilson, and in this video I want to talk about the Waves coin and their platform that allows you to create your own digitalized token. And it's just a lot of fun to do, as well as Waves is something that you can invest into, especially with its current price right now. It traded at its highest at roughly a little bit over $17, and right now it's trading at this time $6.44 US dollars. Before I dive into it, I want everyone that's watching this video, if you guys can, please check out CryptoMeNow.com. It's 5 times a week. We'll send you need to know updates on cryptocurrency, upcoming ICOs, analysts, guides, reviews, and more. So you have everything all in one place, and you have all the need to know information in less than 3 minutes a day, under 500 characters per story. We also started. We also launched interviews as well as guides, and we'll be pumping out more and more content as well as a private community group, free courses, everything. Just make sure you enter your email for free, and everything will be for free. We won't ever charge a dime for you to learn more about crypto. So that's CryptoMeNow.com. And you can always follow me on Twitter at @wilson8. So back to Waves. As I mentioned, we're trading right now at $6.44, and it has gained a lot of momentum and traction as well as volume over the past, I would say, ever since they started. Um, this platform is actually a pretty fun platform to play with because they have this client that you can download, and you can deposit Ethereum, Bitcoin, US dollars, Chinese yuan, and you can create your own token. You can issue it in a matter of seconds. So it is definitely something fun that you can play with and look into. So let's look into their website and see what they do. So there's a lot of things that you can do with Wave tokens, and the main thing that I like I mentioned, is that it allows you to create your pretty much your own wallet and your own token. So as of now, let me see if I can find it. Yeah, see, there you go. You can issue your own token sales. So for example, let's say you're running a community or some sort of fundraising event, or you're trying to raise money for your company. What you can do is that you can create this token, and you can run like your own ICO. You can run a fundraising campaign where people can actually just deposit money to buy pretty much your token. So is initially pretty much it's just like a ICO. That's how you can think of it. So you can raise funds for development of projects, or you have like a side project, or if you're looking to launch more features for your current company and your current product and service, you can do that. You can build a community around it by issuing this coin. So for example, if you have like a forum and you want to reward people or for their content, like kind of like stem it, you can do that. You can create your own coin. So I can call it like Wilson's coin. It's pretty good, and as you can tell, there's a case study of Primo Base that raised over 3,000 Bitcoin during their crowd sale, just using Waves. And here's another example of Mobile Go doing it. So they raised 53 million from the crowdfund, and issuing the tokens is super simple. A total of like over 10,000 tokens have been released on the Waves platform, and there's just a lot of money to be involved. It's very simple. All you have to do is download the client. Then you can fill your wallet up with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ethereum Classic, US dollars, Euro, Chinese yuan, and then in order for people to trade your token, of course, you will need to pay a small commission in Waves to trade in the pairs. But essentially, you can do it for like one Wave token equals one US dollars. You can get creative with it, and it's just a good thing to play around with if you can take it seriously, of course. But it's a great way to just kind of start your own cryptocurrency. This wasn't possible like 2 years ago, but now you can with more of these platforms like Wave Token coming out. So as I mentioned, the price is going up. It looks like it will recover, and it'll continue to go higher. And I can see more and more enterprise companies adapting to creating their own tokens, especially communities like games. Um, it's a great way, for example, if you're like developing your own game, you're an indie game developer, and you have a hard time raising money for your games, or hiring people. The Wave platform allows you to create your own token so that people can support you, and they can buy it from you, and in exchange you can give it to them as like an in-game purchase or something like that. So pretty big fan of of this thing. They have a relatively strong team. They have a strong CEO, strong COO. They got the CFO. Um, they're developing a Scala platform using the Scala language, and I mean they got good developers. It's something that you should look into if you want to play around. You can also do like a branding package with the communication team, where they set the whole entire thing up for you, the whole token for you, and help you with your branding and your marketing strategies. And they're also hiring a lot of people. They have the iOS app as well as the Android app. So I would definitely look into Waves as a token to just trade in general, but mainly I would test out the platform, especially if you're running some sort of like event, crowdfunding, or launching a new product. Well, that's my thoughts on Waves. I do see a lot of upside potential for it in 2018, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you check out CryptoMeNow.com. Hit that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up. Thank you.